It's like creating a sanctuary for your baby, a quiet space where they can relax and release those trapped air bubbles. Soft music or white noise can also be helpful in creating a calming ambiance. It's like a gentle lullaby that helps your baby drift into a state of relaxation. The rhythmic sounds can be incredibly soothing and can help ease any fussiness or discomfort. By creating a calm and nurturing environment, you're setting the stage for a successful burping session. It's all about creating a positive and relaxing experience for both you and your baby. It's a moment of connection, a time to bond and nurture, and a gentle reminder of the power of touch and presence.